The Pitaka Sunset Aramid ProGuard case is a refined fusion of engineering precision and artistic craftsmanship. Designed for the iPhone 17 Pro, it continues Pitaka's tradition of pushing boundaries in protective design, this time inspired by the calm hues of dusk and the resilience of high-performance materials. Despite its tough build, the Sunset Aramid ProGuard remains MagSafe compatible and fully supports Pitaka's ecosystem. From Mag-EZ Car Mount Pro and Mag-EZ Grip to Aramid Magnetic Power Bank and Magnetic Woven Wallet. Wireless charging works flawlessly, and the case comfortably accommodates most screen protectors and lens protectors. If you're seeking a case that safeguards your iPhone 17 Pro without dulling its elegance, the Pitaka Sunset Aramid ProGuard delivers. It's protection you can trust, craftsmanship you can feel, and design you can admire every time you pick up your phone. Smarter protection, softer landings, sunset elegance, redefined.